Alright guys, this is a side-by-side comparison a lot of you have been asking for, and that is the Galaxy Tab S4 versus the new Galaxy Tab S6. Now overall, I was actually pretty surprised just how much smaller the Tab S6 got compared to the Tab S4. It is a much narrower bezels than I thought it really was. So I do actually give kudos to Samsung for narrowing out the bezels so that they are going to be definitely less than they were before. And overall, I think we have a better design. Now, the back of the Tab S4 was the glass and got more fingerprints on it. I don't really see a problem with aluminum. I am curious to see how well the antennas do, as we have had issues with iPads with antennas like this. So hopefully Samsung did a better job of it to get optimal LTE connectivity and Wi-Fi connectivity as they do with their glass. But I do love having a spot for the pen. I think it's much better, as well as having the dual cameras. Never hurts to have at least a wide angle camera. If you must take a shot with the tablet, why not take a better shot if you need it? Overall, I am really interested to see if this one will tear me away from my Tab S4. Also, I'm gonna check out what the trade-in is for the Tab S4 to upgrade to the Tab S6, because Samsung does have that available on their website. All right guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Should I move to the Tab S6, or do you think it's not enough to upgrade or warrant an upgrade? Let me know again. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.